Hello there guys, it's me, and today I'm playing Super Gravity Rush. The amazing game, sorry about that. Amazing game. Not so amazing. I haven't really played it that much, so I wouldn't know. We're about to find out. And you play against real people, so that's kind of cool. Opponent found. Let's go. Okay, so the object is to collect coins and beat the other person to coins. Oh gosh. Did I win? No, I didn't win. Okay. It's me. And I'm losing right now. So it's all about pressing space, which is reversing gravity. And if you get behind, the other person wins. And right now it's not looking so good for me. So if you get stuck or something, then you lose. So I got stuck. That was a close one though. I'm neither winning nor losing. Oh yay! Yay. Okay, so almost tied up here. If I win this, then I'm good to go. And it's always the same map, or, well, they mix it up a tiny bit, but it has different textures, so that's kind of cool. But I'd rather just have a different maps with different textures, instead of practically the same thing. And that one, I'll win bonus. And now this is the game, basically, for the win. And I'm not ninja at this game, so I basically lost pretty quick there. And this game is multiplayer, so I can submit my scores. Hopefully I'll play against a noob next time. So let's go. Let's go. Okay, 3 wins. First one to 3 wins. Didn't notice already. Okay. I kind of feel like this guy's a computer. This case. Okay. I lost. Okay. Let's do this. Hardcore like. Yeah, win bonus. Okay. So one more until I win. And if I don't, that's really too bad, but it's not the biggest bad deal. Oh, that was close there. Yep, I won. I'm happy. Submit score. Oh yeah. Where am I? Where am I? Okay. Victory done well. Super Gravity Rush. And yes, Super Gravity. Yeah. Okay, so there's not much else I can do on this game, so that was a pretty short episode. You guys like, comment, and subscribe, so yeah. Hope to see you.